Hey, welcome to Sunday School Made Easy with me, Rosalie Naidu. Today we'll be doing how to make coffee dye cue cards. I hope you like it and enjoy it. The first step is to make about 2 cups of your favorite coffee. In a wide casserole dish, place the cue cards in the center of the dish. Then pour the coffee over the cards and let it soak for a while. The longer you leave the cue cards in the coffee, the darker the stain is. Remove the cards from the dish, then lay them flat on the paper towel to absorb the residual liquid. Then let the cards dry overnight for the best results. Hey, here's a helpful tip. You can use these cue cards to put your Bible verse on for junk journaling. Try it next time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Sunday School Made Easy, with me, Rosaline, so you don't miss out on any of our content. Follow us on our social media handles. The links are down below in the description box. Well, until we meet again next time, take it easy.